Pinholing. Pinholes are holes in the paint over areas with plastic filler. Some possible causes are 1. Excessive amount of plastic filler used. 2. Plastic filler has not been mixed with sufficient amount of hardness. 3. Plastic filler has not been mixed properly and contains trapped air. 4. Plastic loading is worked excessively during application. Some prevention methods include 1. Read the manufacturer's specifications to find the correct amount of plastic filler. 2. Add the correct amount of hardness according to manufacturer's specifications. 3. Mix plastic filler thoroughly. 4. Ensure that plastic loading is not worked excessively during application. If this defect occurs, you will need to rectify it. To rectify, sand down, apply appropriate rectification materials, example polyester stopper, and refinish.